Guys, Jacob with Jagged Tooth Tackle out here today with Matt, aka NDYAKANGLER, and we are set up on Ashtabula. Our first place is a bus. You might see a little B-roll from that. We are just jigging out here. Matt's, you can tell he's on with the perch. He got some Sullivan tip down set up with minnows. We're not all the way set up yet. So go Team Green. Thanks to Scott for those, putting me on those. We're gonna set up and jig. We got about 4 inches of ice. It's not spectacular, but it's safe. And we're gonna see if we can't get a few perch and walleyes before dark. Here you go. Look at that. Sullivan tip down.
Oh, a little eye.
A little walleye.
That's a baby walleye. Let me long arm him.
Let me
Oh, he's huge. Look at that. Look at that thing. Monster.
let me get a picture though. What do you think of those tip downs then?
Yeah, right when I looked over, I saw that twitch.
Yeah, and they should stay all the way down when they're there. There we go. Fished them. Yeah, still there though.
He's axes on that one still?
Yeah. Oh, there we go. There we go. Came back. Doesn't feel too bad. Walleye. Look at that, my first walleye of the year. Came on, what else? A tumbler spoon. Look at that guy. I got him. Not very big. Gotta be a little perch. Little perch. I mean little perch. For 4 or 5 nice crappies yet. That thing slammed down. Something's on. Oh yeah, something's on. I got something. On the STD. Look at that. Walleye slammed her. These are shot from the other day. We can't get any size to them though. That's the next trick. Tumbler spoons are just barely getting to entice them, isn't it?
Yeah.
They're
Popped up off the bottom probably 3 times and looked at that thing.
Awfully finicky out here. We're marking some, we're missing some. Early ice, it's kind of hard to be choosy on early ice to be where it's safe. There we go. This might be a pike. Hi, walleye. Perch. Look at that. Perch took that down. It's been kind of the hot tip down for me. So smaller North Dakota Gold right there. Not really what we were going for today, but I'll take them. I got fish down here. Oh. I don't know. I got my gloves on, so I got my sensitivity. I thought I saw my rod go though. Yeah, there he is. I didn't see my rod. This might be a walleye again. This is actually decent. Oh, he's got my other line. Yeah, that's okay. That's what it is. Got my other line.
Oh, another perch.
Yep, got my other line with it. That's what felt a little heavier. There's a fish. Oh, I got one over here too. Hold on. Let's get this one first.
I'm yanking on pretty good over here.
Yeah, bite. There we go. There's one. I got my tip down going too.
That other rod quit moving. I don't know if it's still there or not.
I'll check in a second. Hot action going on. Oh, that's a nice perch.
Yeah, that's a big one. Nice.
That's a nice perch. That's what we came for. Well, it could be a little bigger. Okay, time to check out. My tip down's been down since I got too much going on at once.
Oh, yeah, he's still on.
Oh, still going. Look at this. Oh, line. There's gotta be a pipe.
Ooh, he's full of line.
That's either a pike or a nice walleye.
Yeah, he's way up to the side.
He should be hooked at this point. Hopefully it's not. Oh, my camera's not. Grab a camera angle. My camera's way bad. How can a perch pull like that? I was in a hurry with this. He really pulled on that tip down. Basically set these a super loose drag. Look at that guy. It's been all of a sudden real hot action. Glad we moved from our first spot. This has been pretty darn good. Sorry about that camera angle, guys. Line down. Oh, it's down. Look at that. I got something.
Yeah, that one's been a hot hole today, hasn't it?
This has been a hot hole. Hope it's something decent. Walleye. Not huge, but it's been better what we've been getting today. Just kind of looking over here. Just want to pose that nice. I'm just kind of looking over here. My tip down just started to drop, and then it bounced. He's trying to swim. Well, the goal today was just to get and check the ice, really. And we're finding 4-ish inches, some spots less by shore. We actually broke through by some rocks earlier, just right on the rocks, not actually out in deep water. Let this guy go here. So we're finding more and more safe walkable ice. Be careful out there. Make sure you cast, drill, spud bar out there. A lot more content coming up. Probably gonna do some crappie fishing real soon. Hit that subscribe button. Be around all winter, showing you guys where I'm at. Well, I'm not gonna show you guys where I'm at. That's one thing I won't do is name the lakes, except for this is Lake Ashtabula. It's 27 miles long, can handle the traffic. Some of the small ponds I fish can't. So if you ask, I'm just not gonna tell you. Other than that, thanks for watching. See you guys really, really soon.